Past, oblivion, and beyond. Go on! Cheers! Bottoms up! Go nuts!
Hells. The curse has twisted this man beyond measure. Leaning in, you can see how the creature's skin barely holds it together. The bulge of its belly is on the cusp of bursting wide open.
He looks set to burst, and will probably be left hip-deep in his juices.
Go on, drink! Make it drink! Be drunk! You and I both! To our good health! Such a small sip you take. Fear not. You will soon quaff as I do. Tell me the story, a fable, a saga. Delight me. For a feast, filling, gorging, oh, the dine with devils. You ask, you drink, then you amaze, and fuse astound me again. Father Catherick created, Father Catherick sustains. Bring it in, toss it down, lap it up. Father Catherick's laughter, not joy, not ever, never. Only laughter. Questions done, finished, over. Only drink. More stories. Tell me of foes fell, villains vanquished, beasts bastard. foul creatures. Too many limbs. Like seeing double, treble, quadruple. Bare as husks. Ask, question, make your query, and drink once more. Father is Father, eternal, invincible, forever, except not. Another drink. No, must not, cannot, will not mention her. The customer is always right, but also wrong. The spirit of the land. Now, talk. Drink. Father's personal, mysterious, secret. No, not never. Father sent, ordered, commanded. Don't say it. Don't say it. Arcades. Talk and perish, die, buried in Thorn Tomb. Father told me. I can't perish. No, nay, neither. Too strong,
Something in the air down here. It's like this place wants.
Let's have a look.
Renovation. Please, clutter the pardon.